Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can practice martial arts from secret manuals in Where Divines Meet. So basically right here you'll see the book, and if you click on that book you'll get the martial arts. As you can see, you can choose to view the secret record entries. So let's say I will choose this one. And then what you'll need to do is just click on X again to copy martial arts. And right here you'll need to select Heaven Quaker Spear or Stormbreaker Spear. So I'll select this one. As you can see, you'll see the replay of the martial art, and then you'll be able to escape it. And as you can see, these are 2 out of 3, so I need 1 more and this task will be done. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.